Methods Made Manifest. A team of scientists from Living Links at Emory University's Yerkes Primate Center and from Georgia State University's Language Research Center compared chimpanzees to human children in a test of fairness. One individual was designated the proposer, another the respondent. Both the proposer and the respondent had unique control over how 6 pieces of banana were divided between them in a modified version of the Ultimatum Game. After the pair of chimps was trained to exchange tokens both with experimenters and with each other, the proposer was presented with the choice between 2 different colored tokens. Each token was associated with a different offer. One token resulted in the 6 banana pieces being divided evenly, 3 to each chimp. The other token resulted in a 5-to-1 split, with the 5 pieces going to the proposer. The catch is that, while the proposer got to choose which token to take, the respondent got to choose whether or not to exchange the token with the experimenter, and thereby redeem the associated offer. If the respondent failed to do so within 30 seconds, then neither chimp received anything. In this, the Ultimatum Game, the experimenter never accepted the token from the proposer, so passing the token to the respondent was a necessary middle step toward receiving the rewards. Subjects had previously completed a less democratic condition, aptly called the Dictator Game. In the Dictator Game, the chimp proposer was accompanied by a passive respondent who could only observe as the proposer selected the desired token and exchanged it directly with the experimenter. While chimp proposers showed a preference for the selfish offer in the Dictator Game, they quickly changed their behavior to instead favor the equal offer in the Ultimatum Game. This behavioral shift occurred even though the chimp respondents never rejected an offer. 20 children ranging from 2 to 7 years of age completed an identical procedure with 2 exceptions. 1, the banana rewards were replaced with stickers. And 2, in the Dictator Game, the child proposers were not accompanied by respondents, but rather made token choices in one-on-one interactions with the experimenters. Like their chimp counterparts, children were selfish in the Dictator Game. However, when presented with the Ultimatum Game, the kids showed no preference for either the equal or selfish offers. Like the chimps, the children stopped favoring the selfish token in the Ultimatum Game, even though child respondents never rejected an offer. Still, the behavioral shift in children was not as dramatic as in chimps because, while they stopped favoring the selfish offer, they never started favoring the equal offer. The experimenters made sure that the chimp and child subjects did not have any preferences between the tokens before starting the experiment, and demonstrated that subjects could recognize the difference between reward quantities. Ruling out these factors, the experimenters offered 2 possible explanations for why subjects were more equitable in the Ultimatum Game. The proposers may have stopped favoring the selfish offer out of concern for the respondents' welfare. On the contrary, even in the face of unwavering cooperation from the respondents, the proposers may be anticipating the respondents' rejection of selfish offers. The authors highlight that these 2 separate motivations may exist independently or in concert. By examining fairness in our chimpanzee relatives, this study helps unveil the degree to which our human sense of fairness is unique to us, and the degree to which it is a deep-seated sense that evolved millions of years ago. In other words, by comparing results between species in a controlled, measurable way, we can better understand the ancient history of our fair-minded tendencies. For more details, read the published article by following the link below.